Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Pipedrive account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or uninstall your Docusign from your Pipedrive? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end. But why would you want to remove Docusign from your Pipedrive? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that maybe your Docusign is connected to a separate business, and it keeps sending out your Pipedrive documents for signature from the wrong account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Pipedrive account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Pipedrive account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and uninstall or remove your Docusign from your Pipedrive, you're going to click on this little puzzle icon here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to go ahead and look for the Docusign logo. You can see mine right here. Go ahead and click on the Docusign logo. Okay, once you do that, it's going to show you Docusign here on the top left. Make sure it says that. That means that you're working in the settings for the Docusign app, and in order to delete or remove it from your Pipedrive, here on the top right, you're going to click on this red uninstall button. All right, next Pipedrive is going to ask you, are you sure you want to uninstall Docusign? If so, click on uninstall. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see my Docusign account has been uninstalled. So now I'll no longer be able to send out documents from my Pipedrive for signature or manage my documents. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove your Docusign account from your Pipedrive account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.